Amita here, and today my video is how to check your ATF, which stands for automatic transmission fluid. Now, this video is dedicated to my little granddaughter who just became a new driver. Yay! First one of the grandkids. So, when you're checking your ATF, you want to make sure that your engine has been running for a little bit so that it's gotten warmer. It's not like checking the oil. That's a little different. The oil should be kind of cold and back down the pan. But the ATF should be warmed up, okay? So we're gonna open that hood, and then we're gonna, and let's see if I can get this. Yes.
Yeah, you got it this time. Good job.
Okay. And you're gonna look it over. And so that's windshield wiper. Back there is probably the power steering. And then here's the oil. And then you got the coolant. And up there's probably brake. Yeah, brake. Oh, what's that? That's not part of the brake. Uh-oh. Somebody forgot that. That doesn't belong in there because you don't want that. That was the blow and it could, mess up and do some damage here. Okay, so I would say this is your ATF, okay? Now, you want to pull it out. It should be red, the fluid, or at least dark, red. And you want it to be, all right, see where it says cool? Right there, it's fine. Yeah, now if it was not, yeah, it looks good.
What would happen if
it's wet? It's wet. It's not dry.
What would happen if you didn't have good antifreeze in there?
Well, it'd be dry. It wouldn't be wet. The stick would be wet.
Would it blow? Fine. Would it blow the engine?
Oh, you would run your transmission. That would be probably like about $2,000. But this one, you see, it's got plenty of fluid, and the fluid doesn't look dirty. Looks like it maybe should be a little bit more red. I might have to recheck that one. Yeah. Let's put it back in the tank.
How much do you add usually?
Okay, see? It's fine. Yeah. It's between the two, and it's in the it's in the hot zone there, so it's fine.
How often do you check it, and then how much do you put in there?
You would just put a little bit, what you need to bring it back up to level.
And then how often do you look at it?
And if you're unsure about these things and stuff, you can always check on the internet on how to check these things out and stuff. And I learned off the internet how to flush my radiator, and that was really very easy to do. I learned how to change my oil off the internet, so that's also easy. But it's good to pop the hood on your engine. I mean, it's good to pop the hood and just generally check everything and make sure everything. If you needed to add oil, you would add the oil up here. Yeah.
How often do you check it?
Maybe once every 2 or 3 weeks, maybe. Not as often as the oil. But when you're going, another thing I want to mention to you though is when you're going over these speed bumps and you got little weightless cars, you don't want to be going over these speed bumps going really fast, because that's just not good for the car at all. Yeah, you want to go over. You want to slow down and go over it really easy, because I see cars coming past our area and they're just flying over the speed bump and the big hump in the road and stuff. That's not good. You can mess up your engine and your transmission, and some of them are high enough that you could really do some very big damage to your car. So that is how we check it, and hope you liked my video today, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.